My name is Luke, and this is Parent Academy. Today I just want to tell you a story. I went disc golfing today with my son and my sons and their friends. Some of them are middle schoolers now, and I forgot what it's like to hang out with middle schoolers. They love to complain. They love to talk about the things they hate or the things they just don't like. Oh, that was so lame. They don't say lame, but they say something like that. And it ties right in with what I've been working on, which is two things. One, trying to figure out what motivates kids and what I'm doing to sabotage their motives. So I'm learning, I keep learning and seeing more and more ways that I'm trying to give kids reward for things that I really want them to care about. On the other side of that, I also see myself as someone who's really guarded with my enthusiasm. How much I show affection toward people and how much I show the things I care about. So I've noticed it recently when my kids ask me, Dad, what's your favorite book? What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite song? And I kind of don't have one. I don't get excited about, I don't know. And so I don't want to be the person who withholds their enthusiasm because they don't want to be vulnerable. And that's what I remember about middle schoolers, is middle school is a time when you can't be vulnerable to anyone. And one of the most vulnerable things you can do is talk about how much you love something or someone. So as I search through my own heart and I search through how I function, I'm looking for places where I complain, places where I find comfort in talking about how much is wrong with the world or society or people, or for me, going to church, how much is wrong with churches or church people. And I don't want to be that. I don't want to be that person. So I come on here and I talk to you guys, and I try to instead be helpful. And that's something I can do. And that's something I can encourage kids to do. But what I've been telling them more and more is, don't go back to class and try to be good. Go back to class and be helpful. Because that's something you can do today. That's something you can do right now. So that's what I want to encourage you to do, both as a parent and as a part of your community, is find a way to be helpful. My name is Luke. This is Parent Academy, and I hope it helps.